Overloads. Overloading functions is when two or more functions may have the same name, and this is totally fine as long as their parameter lists are different. This is the key thing. You can't just change the return type and expect it to be okay. It's totally fine for all of these to have the same name. Might look a little funny, but it's totally fine as long as their parameter list, so what's inside the parentheses, is different. As long as this is different, they can basically be the same. And so we can see inside of this main method, I have three variables, x, y, and z. This first method call right here of this add x is going to be calling this one because it only has one parameter. This next one is going to be calling this one because it has two parameters. And then this one will be calling this last one right here because it has two parameters. However, one of them is a double and one is an int, so it's a bit different from this one. Seems like we don't use a variable and Replit doesn't like that, so instead of having xz, let's change this to zx. And since they're all 10, they should all print out 20, except for the first one, because we're adding 50, so that should print out 60. 60, 20, and 20 should be what's printed out. And that is how we would use overloading functions. So that'll be it for this example. If you have any questions on overloading, leave them in the comments below. Overriding is a little bit different. We'll go over that soon. But check out that playlist, leave any comments, and leave a like.